Hey guys, this is Mama Maid. I have the Retail Me Not that's coming on Sunday, October the 4th, 2020. I get these in my mailbox in my area. My region does not put these in the newspapers. That's how I get them early, so I can share them with you guys that way. So here's, I'm guessing you say number 7. I don't know. Anybody knows, you can feel free to let me know, but I've never actually even seen this brand, but here's some coupons. So here's some type of an offer. You have to scan the code, I guess, and here's the fine print. If you want to pause and read it, I didn't 100% completely understand it. It was like $2 coupon, so if anyone knows more about that, feel free to let me know. We got swab coupons. Usually when swab coupons come out, the drugstores give us deals on them. Here we got $1.50 on men and $1.50 on the kids. That's a good coupon. And now it does picture the nature kind, but it doesn't say you have to get that kind, so just so you're aware of that. Zyrtec and Benadryl. 2 off of 2 dial or tone. I love dial, so I rarely ever throw away dial coupons. Hair color there, $4 off. We got vitamins. And some more vitamins. I'm not really into supplements a whole lot. That's something you need. A lot of times drugstores have them on BOGO. More stuff up there. And more vitamins. These are Sundown. Pure protein. Going to pan out here. This is Family Dollar ad. I do not shop there, but maybe you do and want to see what's on sale next week. Here we have 2 off of 2 herbal essence, $4 off of 1 of the Gillette blade refills. Here's a page advertising. You're just going to have to print these coupons, most of us, if you want them. If you need this product here, here's some coupons. Okay, and the back page is some Cetaphil. 6 off of 2, 4 off of 1, or 2 off of 1. So that's it, guys, for the Retail Me Not that's coming on Sunday. I'll see you guys in my next one.